Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Wyatt here, and today we are here at Magnolia Speedway, the Mag in Columbus, Mississippi. We're here with the 12 car, obviously, and today we're here for the cotton picking, whatever big money race they're having here. So that's why there's a lot of super late models, and there's a lot of cars here. There's a lot of cars. I haven't seen many hot shots yet, but there's a lot of cars here. And I believe Mr. or Dr. Eaton will be here today too. You can see right there, he's one of our sponsors. And yeah, it's really nice out here. We got a good parking spot in the shade. And yeah, we're looking forward to the track for the race tonight. And this will be, tried to race here last year one time, but that race got rained out right after the drivers meeting, so there's not a very big chance of rain today. So hopefully we can get a good race in. It'll be my first time on this track, so yeah, like I said, looking forward to the race tonight. I'll go and show you all the track here in a minute. So guys, here's a good look at the track. It looks pretty good right now. They have been racing here since Thursday night, I believe, so doesn't look like, it looks like they packed in a little bit on the top, but still needs to be packed in probably. And I'm excited. This is looks like a very wide track. I'm not sure what line is going to be the best for me to run, but it's very wide corners and decently short straightaways. So hopefully this will be a fun night with no issues. Or, well, you guys know that I've been having lip mode issues for the past like 3 weeks now, and we still haven't figured those out. We've replaced quite a few things, and we just tried replacing part of my VTEC, the VTEC solenoid, and hopefully that'll fix it. But if not, I'm still gonna obviously race, just doing what I've been doing. We did get, last week I did break that tie rod, and we did get a new one for that, a nice new tie rod, so hopefully no issues with that. We got all 4 big tires on the car now. I was just racing the 2 in the front, but yeah, I think that's it. Still having issues, but still running, so we're gonna see what we can do tonight. I think it's 500 to win. I haven't seen any other hot shots, actually. I just walked around the pits and I haven't seen any others. And of course, driver's registration doesn't open until 4, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Okay guys, I'm about to have to start getting ready for hot laps. We're doing hot lap qualifying. No heats tonight, just the hot lap qualifying and then the feature. I think I'm 7th in line for hot lap qualifying. So looking forward to tonight. The track looks like it's getting packed in really nice by the super late models and the other classes. Look at that. And yeah, hopefully replacing that VTEC solenoid will have fixed our lip mode issues. But if not, obviously it's just gonna be a lot more difficult for me to race, basically. I won't be as fast as I would, but hopefully just running 2nd gear the whole way around the track. And it'll be a good night. It'll be a late night probably, but it'll be a good night. So I'll see you guys after hot laps. Okay guys, we're back at the pits, and I've had a little bit of time. Obviously, it did go into limp mode again. The track, first of all, the track was extremely smooth. It was a little slick, and it was extremely smooth and extremely fast. So, or, you know, faster, I don't know, I didn't look at my speedometer, but it felt faster, and based on the fact that I had to run third gear instead of second, I'd say it was faster than Jackson or Hattiesburg, definitely. I'm not sure how much bigger it is compared to Jackson, but definitely a fast track. But I was running only about maybe 5,000 RPM because I was in third gear with these bigger tires, these really big tires on here, and I may switch to the smaller ones. I just don't know if that's the best, and because I have the big ones, I only have 2 small ones, so I don't know if the front will drag if I do that, or when I'm in the corner, because that would be bad. But it did go into limp mode again, so getting that new solenoid definitely did not fix it. But I talked to Mr. Eaton about it, and to some other guys, that other 12 car, that other red and black 12 car, they do a lot of work on Hondas. So I got a couple suggestions. One of them was that I should replace the oil pressure switch, which I think Wayne had mentioned doing that last week, and I think I just sort of forgot about that. He had mentioned me doing that. I think it was just all the information I was getting, but I'll see, maybe not tonight obviously, but I'll see if that's a good idea for me to do. That is, besides rewiring the whole thing, that's pretty much the only other thing it could be, except of the oil pump. But the only thing is, other than the VTEC codes coming up, I don't have any sort of oil pressure light coming on. I don't have a gauge for that, unfortunately. But there's another thing to try and fix. So I'm gonna go out there and do my very best. I was running a bit of a higher line. I might try and go a little higher than that, so I can just keep my momentum up. But a couple races until my feature, so I'll see y'all after the feature. have some explaining to do. Obviously, y'all only saw like the last 6 laps of the feature, and that was because I was really late getting out onto the track, because I went to crank up the car and it went dead when I tried to. The lights came on, all the dash lights came on, and then I turned it to start the car and it went dead. So we found out that this whole battery had shifted. It should be centered on this right here, and I guess this came loose, or maybe this part got bent in one of the accidents I've been in lately, and so this is loose now. So as I was going around the track, probably in hot laps, it came off. It went this way, and this ground wire came off, so the car would still run, but when I try to crank it, it goes dead. So I had to hop out of the car real quick and fix that. So that's why I was so late getting onto the track, and there's no GoPro video because I just didn't have time to click it. I was just in such a rush, but yeah, and that's also why there's only the last 6 laps from the stands with my dad's camera. So sorry about that, guys. It stinks, and hopefully we can tighten that battery down and keep it from doing that again. So yeah, I think that's it. Still probably gonna change that oil pressure switch. And hopefully, I think we're gonna race maybe another new track next week, or maybe 2 new tracks actually. 2 new tracks. So hopefully y'all can get to see 2 new tracks. I don't think the rest of the FFR team has ever raced at them either, so that'll be interesting. So that's a wrap for tonight. Not the best night, but I still got on the track in time and finished the race. So, I did go 7 laps without it going into limp mode. So the limp mode is being very inconsistent on when it wants to happen. It might have been a factor of that I wasn't running as high RPMs. I think I was a little faster this time, so a little over 5,000 RPM, but because I was in 3rd gear. But yeah, that's it. So I will see y'all later. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Or else.